Here we have the legendary Legend RC monster truck. This is going to be an unboxing and a demonstration. Let's go.
This is the remote inside.
This is a pretty high quality RC. And you can already see.
Better than my other one.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez.
Holy man.
Wait, where's the...
Look at that.
Oh, wait, can I see it?
Cool.
Yes.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, nice. All right, let's check it out. Let's see how it goes. Oh wait, what's this?
Oh, this.
Whoa, taking the cellophane off. Oh, look at the shocks. I mean,
Very smooth.
this thing is amazing.
The tires are humongous.
Legend.
Oh, the inside? Jeez.
Pretty cool. I mean, this is like got high quality written all over it. Look at those shocks. Dude, look at that. That is like, you're talking like jumps, heavy terrain, bumpiness, dirt roads, off-roads, like really cool, right, Timmy? Make the jump. Oh, that was cool. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, that was awesome. It's really fast.